Hey guys, what's up? Today I have a Target beauty box unboxing. I actually got an email saying that they were in stock. I didn't even know that I signed up for that email, or maybe it's because I'm just on the regular Target email. But I saw that it was only $7 and they actually showed you on their site all the products that are in it. And I ordered it like the same day, I think it was like a Monday. It came in exactly a week. So here's the box. I already took the wrapping off. It wasn't in like a bubble wrap or anything. It was just this box wrapped in like clear plastic. So really like no protection. The box is actually really nice, and I think this box will be good for photos. And then it has Target Beauty on it. And then when you open it, it has orange tissue paper. It says, "Hello Fresh Face. Face makeup can be a girl's best friend, but sometimes we gotta give our skin a break with heavy foundations and concealers. Thankfully, we can rely on other products to enhance our features and make us feel just as gorge. Inside this box, you'll find a few of our faves that will freshen up your primping game pronto. Try them out, and if you love them as much as we do, find the full-size versions at," and then they give their website. So here's the list of all the products inside. Oh, you get a $3 off coupon of a beauty purchase of $15 or more. It's good on cosmetics, skincare, and hair care, and it's valid on June 4th through July 8th. I'm actually not sure if this box is offered every month, so if you guys know, let me know. So let's open it. Nothing is like bubble wrapped or anything, and I don't think anything here is breakable actually. So the first thing I see is this Neutrogena Hydra Boost Plumping Mascara, and I really like the way this wand is. It has hyaluronic acid in it, and the shade is black/brown 03. And they don't have the prices on here, by the way. They just have a description of what the product is. And then I see this little travel size Garnier, I'm sorry, my dog is snoring, Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. This is okay. I actually prefer Bioderma, but this gets the job done, and the size is great for traveling. And you get a lippy. This is by Sleek. I don't know if this is full size or not. This is in Daydreamer, and it's an ultra smooth matte lip cream. And I don't remember if I've ever tried any of their lip creams. And you get this little perfume by Good Chemistry. I guess it's called Queen Bee. And it has blackcurrant, peony, and amber scents. I'm really picky on my perfume, so I'll probably pass this along. You get some cotton rounds. I actually love these. This is the Target brand. Their brand is called Up and Up, and you get 2 in here. Again, great for traveling. I don't think I've tried this yet. This is a Colgate Optic White Platinum Express White toothpaste, and it says whiter teeth in 3 days. This is a pretty good size, and I know the like whitening toothpaste are like more expensive than regular ones, so you get 1.45 ounces in here. And then the last thing in this box is this set of lashes. I don't wear falsies, so I'll probably put this in a giveaway. This is by Eyelure, and this is in number 3, Uniquely Curved, and it comes with an applicator and the glue. These alone are like worth the price of the box. So you get 7 products for $7. That's crazy. That's like dollar store prices. I think this box is totally worth it. I don't know if it's still available, but I'll like link the Target website, and if I can find a link to this, I'll link it down below. $7 plus tax, so you're paying under $8 with free shipping. So I think that's pretty awesome. I don't have any other subscriptions that I'm currently a part of right now. I canceled my Ipsy like long ago, and I never signed up for anything else because I find that if I really wanted something, I'll just like buy the exact product I want instead of trying all this stuff that I know I might not like, you know what I mean? So let me know if you guys got this box and what you thought of it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe. I'll link my current giveaway in the description box, and I'll see you in my next video.